Can you hear a tiny yawn? High up in the tree? Yawn. The night is quiet. Very quiet. The moon glows softly. Stars twinkle gently. And in a tall old tree, a baby owl is getting sleepy. The baby owl opens his eyes. Slowly, he stretches one wing, then the other. Yawn. His beak opens wide. Mama owl watches nearby, smiling softly. It's bedtime now. She whispers. Leaves stop rustling. The forest grows calm. Fireflies blink slowly. One by one, the baby owl snuggles close, warm and safe. His eyes grow heavy, very heavy. Yawn. And another. The baby owl tucks his head under his wing. Sleep comes quietly, softly. And now, it's your turn too. Close your eyes. Feel calm. Feel safe. Good night, little owl. Good night. Sweet dreams.